Ever wonder why your feet smell so foul? Even with clean socks and regular washing, you might be dealing with a skin condition called pitted keratolysis. Let's uncover what it is, what causes it, and how you can stop it. You are listening to Dr. Anjali Deep Singh Rajput on Tiny Talks with Dr. Anjali Deep. Hello friends, today we are going to talk about something interesting which you must be suffering, but you may be feeling embarrassed to tell or discuss this with someone. Don't worry, we are here to help you out in this condition also. So, what I'm talking about, pitted keratolysis sounds like a villain of science fi movie, but hope it's a real skin infection. It's caused by bacteria eating away the thick skin on the soles of your feet. The result is tiny little holes that smells like something crawled in your socks and died, mostly seen on heels and ball of your foot. It can make your skin look soggy, pale, and pitted like the moon, but a smellier. You must be curious to know what does actually happen to our skin and it turned into this kind of presentation. This condition is caused by certain type of bacteria that thrive in moist, warm and closed environment like sweaty socks and shoes. These bacteria produces the proteolytic enzyme that digests the keratin, the major protein of your skin. As keratin breaks down, small pits form on your skin surface, and these bacterial metabolism also releases sulfur compound responsible for the foul odor. The major cause due to which this can happen is mainly excessive sweating, which we also call as hyperhidrosis, which we have explained in our previous video. You can check out that video to understand this condition more clearly. Wearing tight and non-breathable shoes. Third cause can be the poor foot hygiene. Other than this can be long hours in your boots, like in military persons or in athletes. It can also be caused by walking barefoot in humid environment like gym and public showers. Besides the smell and appearance, pitted keratolysis can cause discomfort and burning sensation and a kind of social embarrassment also. If not treated, it can worse or it can lead to a secondary infection in your foot. Here comes your favorite section where we will going to discuss the solution which we can do by our own and can prevent this condition or can manage this condition by our own. First thing which you have to consider is maintain the proper hygiene of the foot. It can be done daily washing of socks, drying them thoroughly and changing the socks often as required. Use breathable shoes and let your footwear dry between the uses. Avoid walking barefoot in damp communal areas. Even after doing all of these things, the condition is not getting better. Now, my dear friend, you need a consultation related to this complaint. And I am very happy to tell you that homeopathy has wonderful results in this condition also. In homeopathy, we provide individualistic treatment where this condition can be eradicated from your body completely and will never going to harm you or produce any of the discomfort in the future. And homeopathic medicine has the capability to stop the reoccurrence of this condition again and again. So if you are suffering from pitted keratolysis, then my dear friend, you have the alternative solution, the best solution, that is treating it with homeopathic medicine, because it has the capability to treat this disease from its root so that it cannot happen again and bother you. So once and all solution, that is homeopathic medicine. I hope this video finds informative to you and has gathered some information related to pitted keratolysis. So what are you waiting for? Start today, because it's never late to start something important.